Frustrated with stagnant growth in your wood-based business? You're not alone. Introducing Grow, your all-in-one growth marketing solution. Grow is more than just another marketing service. It's a committed team dedicated to maximizing your profitability. We've been there. We know the struggles of running a sawmill, furniture design, wood drying, or lumber and slab business. That's why Grow exists, to help you overcome those challenges and focus on growing your business. Starting at only $200 a month, Grow will amplify your social presence, drive website traffic, build brand awareness, and deliver potential customers to your Facebook doorstep. How we do it. Our targeted social media advertising attracts the right customers to your Facebook, Instagram, and website. This means you'll see an increase in website traffic, social page engagement, and Facebook messages. You can then focus on what you do best, converting those conversations into sales and getting back to the sawdust piles. Ready to see real growth in your wood business? Sign up today at Just Grow Marketing.